Pastel Icon Pack is an Android application designed to provide users with a collection of beautifully crafted pastel-themed icons to personalize their device's home screen and app drawer. This app caters to individuals who enjoy soft, muted colors and want to create a stylish and cohesive look for their Android devices. One of the key features of the Pastel Icon Pack is its extensive library of icons, which often includes hundreds or thousands of carefully designed icons for various applications. Users can easily apply these icons to their installed apps, transforming the overall aesthetic of their device into a more modern and visually appealing theme. Additionally, the app may include features like dynamic icons, wallpapers, and support for popular launchers, enhancing the customization experience. Overall, Pastel Icon Pack is an excellent choice for users looking to refresh their device's appearance with charming, pastel-colored icons that reflect their personal style.